Hello everyone, welcome to Salon Noah TV. I am Fani from Salon Noah.
And I am Nicole J. from Salon Noah. Today on our Queen Crush series, we have the wonderful Saudia Green.
Yes.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Thank you for joining.
Yes,
Thank you for
definitely. We have a lot of questions. Well, not too many.
Okay.
Yeah, we got
I
some
won't
good
say
ones,
too
though.
many.
We got some good ones.
But we do have some questions. Because we know that I'm nosy.
Yeah, we want to know. We want to know.
We want to know. And Fonnie likes the hot topics.
Yes, hot topics. Yeah.
Definitely
Okay.
got those.
Yes.
So, let's start with one of your questions.
The question I have is, can you tell us a little about the vegan lifestyle? Because everybody's going vegan. Like, they vegan now. Like,
I done tried it the whole time.
I'm vegan. You know, so tell us about that.
Well, I can speak on my experience with
Okay.
being a vegan.
So there's different
But
experiences?
yeah, there's different
Okay.
experiences because you have some people that transition to veganism because their hottest celebrity, you know, the celebrities are trying veganism, so they're like, you know, I want to jump on board and try it. And then you have some that do it for health conscious reasons.
Okay.
You have some that do it for ethical reasons. You have some that do it for the economy.
Okay.
So, my family personally, we do it because we weren't always vegan.
Right. Okay.
But my husband was in the military at the time,
Mhm.
and he was getting all these types of vaccinations, and the food that we were eating just, it was taking a toll on our body. Our skin wasn't doing so good. We were just felt tired all the time. So we started doing research on the food. It was just the thought just to start doing the research on the food that we were eating. So when we started doing the research, we started finding a lot of the food that we were consuming wasn't so good. It was like more chemical based and GMO. So we took a little step further and started looking for documentaries.
Okay.
And after watching the documentaries, we made up our mind that that's what we wanted to transition. But it wasn't so much because of the ethical side of it. It was more for health prevention reasons.
Okay.
But then once we did decide, it kind of became like second nature. It wasn't no turning back. So
Okay. Going vegan, will that affect your hair? Like, will that make your hair thin out? Like, sometimes when people have weight loss surgery, changing your diet, does that affect your hair? Will it make it grow more? Like, is there any hair tips that go or benefits?
I would
Choosing
say
to be
that there's benefits to it, but you have to do it correctly. Like you have some vegans that don't do the groundwork, meaning seek the knowledge and apply the knowledge. So they go into it just eating a lot of vegan junk food. And with that being said,
what is that?
you know, a lot of chips and potatoes and none of the nutrient dense foods.
Oh, I got you.
None of the wholesome foods. So if you're
I might be guilty of that.
I
so,
really like
cause
chips.
you have, you know, some vegans that they're like, I'm vegan because I don't eat meat, but they're eating all of the starchy foods. You know, just their nutrition is just all off balance. So, your hair can grow and be healthy from the inside out if you are eating wholesome, nutrient-dense foods.
Okay.
And, you know, not just the foods, but taking your supplements.
Okay.
Like MSM sulfur, coral calcium, spirulina, hydroxy. There's so many different trace minerals, vitamins, and herbs that you can take to help with your hair.
So I made a mistake one time. I thought myself going vegan.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
But it was just because my body couldn't, like, it was having troubles with digesting the meat.
Okay.
So I called myself, pay attention to that part, going vegan.
Okay.
And it had been about a good 6 or 7 months that I did not eat meat. So of course I'm lacking protein and an array of different vitamins from my body because in my mind, because I'm not eating meat, I'm vegan. Okay? But as I just learned a couple of seconds ago, yes, I wasn't doing it right. So I went to take a wand curler to my hair.
And it came out, huh?
And I was at my sister's house crying, and I slept in a treatment just thinking that maybe this vegan life is just not where I need to be. But I know that it is. It's just I have to do it the right way.
You have to. It's very important that before transitioning into veganism, you research. It is important.
I skipped that part.
I
did. Not gonna lie.
I don't want to research. You gotta research.
Well, it's not that I didn't want to. It's just
know.
I knew that my body wasn't reacting to the things that I was consuming anymore. So I just cut it out.
Mhm.
Like I just cut it because I didn't want to hurt. So I just cut it out. But I didn't replace it with anything. So that was my mistake. Heat damage was real.
And water intake too is very important.
Water intake.
Because that keeps your cells hydrated. In return, your hair, skin, everything else follows when you.
Yeah, 'cause you got nice skin.
Thank you. I'm detoxing right now, so I feel like
glowing.
Yes.
Okay.
How do you keep that family balance life? Because of course you have your business, your family's business for your herbs and supplements, and then you do a lot of like the different cookies and recipes and things like that. How do you keep that family balance where you give to your children, you give to your husband, you give to the family as a whole, and then you always also have to worry about yourself? How do you keep that balance?
Well, truth be told, I take care of myself first.
Yes.
I have to. I learned the hard way though. Like in the beginning, everything was, of course, seeking knowledge. So, because I'm held responsible for my children and the household, because I'm the one in the kitchen. So I felt that it was my duty to just take care of them, make sure that they were getting the proper nutrition, they weren't becoming deficient, and they were okay. But I forgot about myself. Of course I was still eating, but mentally and emotionally I was draining myself because I was so worried about my family being good. But as time went on, I said, look, we about to have a family meeting, everybody sit down.
Come on.
I have to put me first, meaning I have to take a break. Like I have to have an off day. I have to, just be at peace. You guys leave the house. Let me seek inner peace. You have to, because it's a lot. It's a lot balancing two businesses and having children that are in school, but not only in school, but active. So, I mean, I put myself first, but I also take care of them. And they understand that that is a priority for me. So.
I like that.
I like that. Tell them to leave.
And then they go have their father, son, children time. But I definitely get my time off to just recoup and it's a lot.
Okay, can you break it down for some people that don't know what is like considered vegan? Because is that just no meat when they say vegan, or?
It's no meat, no dairy, and no eggs. And some vegans do soy, but then you have some that don't. But veganism in whole is just pretty much being cruelty free of any animal byproducts, skincare products, ethical, like as far as animal fashion, shoes, clothes, purses, stuff like that. So it's just pretty much just being as clean as possible and helping the environment is what veganism really boils down to.
I don't know if I could give up eggs.
You got to have them eggs.
You know what it is? It's the flavor.
Yeah.
It really is. It's really the flavor, because I made a chickpea omelet this morning.
It was bomb.
Girl, it was fire. It was fire. It's all in the seasening.
Yeah, because I ate at your house before and everything was really good.
Yes, it was good.
I keep asking to sit in the corner, but I haven't quite gotten the invitation. But I know it's coming.
Yes.
In my heart, I know it's coming.
We had a good time.
We did.
I was a little worried too when we got there.
Why?
I don't know what we gonna have.
Did you eat first?
Yeah, but it was good.
Oh, you ate before you came to my house?
No. It was like in a situation we don't know what we were gonna eat. So it's like, should I eat first?
Yeah, should we eat first?
I don't know.
Y'all try to play
house? No.
Y'all try to play me low.
Not even. Because everything we were starving.
We were starving.
So I'm kind of glad we didn't eat. Because then I ate everything when I got there.
Yeah, but it's just sometimes you have in your mind and you just think like, is it gonna be this way? Is it gonna be that way? And the
What if I don't
presentation was
like it?
amazing.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
sometimes when you do taste things, it's like, oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't got no meat in it.
Right.
This is like no dairy.
Right.
Yeah. So it's just like, you know, it just opens your mind.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I concur. So what's next for your company?
Well, Beyond Vegans is launching a Beyond Vegans active collection.
Ooh,
I'm
yes,
I
yes.
know, I'm so excited about it, and that's pretty much it right now. That's like where all of my focus is at.
Okay.
Besides our
that's
online
major.
business.
That's major.
Yeah,
That's
it
real
is.
major.
That's real.
Thank
It's not gonna
you.
lose y'all.
That's
It's real
Yes.
major. So congratulations.
Thank you. I'm
Definitely,
excited.
definitely.
Tell everybody, you know, our audience out there, where they can reach you and find you.
Okay, so on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, you can find me at Beyond Vegans. And my website is coming soon.
Yes.
I know I keep saying that, but it's really coming. It's really coming.
For real.
It's coming
I'm
for
just
real.
waiting on my active stuff to be get together before I launch it.
Okay.
And that's it. That's all of my platforms.
Okay, Beyond Vegans on everything.
Yes.
So definitely, guys, make sure that you go and find Saudia and Beyond Vegans. They are at events. They are in stores.
Yeah, we're at a store called Warren and Homespun, located in Hampton, VA.
Yes.
Yeah, we have select few products there, but for the most part, we have some of our most popular products there. So
Definitely. And it's always great to be able to meet with you. Such a
Thank
beautiful
you.
sound.
Yes, we are crushing on this
guys.
queen. Thank you so
Yes,
much
definitely.
for coming to Salon Noah TV and just educating our audience today. I learned so much today. Like,
Yeah, especially
Yeah.
the fact that I wasn't
you
quite
did it all wrong.
you want to be? You
I
want to take it back? You gonna start it over?
I'm just chill over. So definitely, guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Definitely make sure that you're following us on your social media platforms. Where can they find you, Fine?
I'm on Instagram at Salon Noah and on Facebook, Salon Noah.
Thank you. And I am ADI by Nicole J on all platforms. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining us for our Queen Crush series.
Uh-huh.
We got it.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, whenever y'all ready. I mean, whenever y'all ready.
Okay.
Hi guys. Thank you for joining
We'll start over.
today on our Queen Crush. Pause. I forgot the last part.
Queen Crush series.
I was about to say Queen.
Woo!
After that, I
Yeah.
can't remember. We only did it one time. and I was like, let me just write this down.
Crush series.
Hold on, Fonnie. Wait. I had a brain fart. Go ahead.